see what they'll all turn into later this evening.
More cars and people understand.
Yeah.
Way I like it.
Yeah, they're all getting lined up to partake.
That one's smoked right here. That one's an oil. That's oil smoke right there. Mustang's on fire. Something happened. Good God. Right when the right shoe's good to go. Something. It looks like they might be closed down for the night here.
Check.
They're going to be shut down for a while.
Got one on fire, but thanks to our track rats and our staff down there at the end of the track, jumped right on top of it.
Did I just say he stalled at the end of the track? He didn't stall, he blew up.
You said something going on about right here.
I wish I was still videoing.
This one, a little bit.
So they're trying to save the motor if they can. That thing burned up. Good God. Pontiac over there sounds good.
Yeah, no.
Good God.
No doubt what burned up.
Yeah.